What's up, you guys? It's your girl Mama, and I'm coming to you today with an AlieExpress unboxing. And if you guys interested, make sure you stay tuned and stop, wait, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Alright, you guys, so like I said in the intro, this is an AlieExpress hair unboxing. Kinda, because it's already out of the box. But the vendor that I got this particular unit from, you guys, is called Elva. And this is what it came in. It came in very nice packaging, you guys. And this particular unit, this is what she looks like. And this is a lace front unit. It is a Brazilian Remy Hair, 14 inches. And it has a beautiful wave texture, and it came with a pre-plucked hairline. So you guys, I'm going to kind of come in and show you guys. I've already bleached the knots, as you guys can kind of see, and I already have laid down the baby hairs. I did that when I first got it. The hairline looks pretty natural. I think, you guys, if you want to wear it, where if you want to maybe pull it up some, I might have to do a clip of me showing you guys the actual hairline. Yeah, I am going to have to do that because you guys can barely see it. But I'll insert a clip here. All right, you guys. So one thing about this unit that I did notice is the unit, when I first got it out of the box, you guys, it had already started shedding. Now I'm not talking about shedding to where it's like literally breaking off, but it was shedding. And that's something, like, I've bought curly hair or water wave hair from AlieExpress before from other vendors, and I did not have any problems with it shedding, at least initially straight out the box. So it was a little iffy for me. But I'm gonna show you guys, take this off of my wig stand. So this is what it looks like. The curl pattern is really pretty. I already washed it. I did notice that it is a little frizzy when you start getting to the top. It kind of looks like this is more of like a wavier curl pattern, as you guys can see, where the back is like a tighter curl. But other than that, you guys, the hair is like super duper soft, and I don't even know if the hair come out. It's not right now, but it's actually dropping on my leg. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me show you. Can you guys see that hair? Probably not. Y'all, it ain't copyright. It ain't shedding because y'all on camera, but it was shedding. But this is what the inside of the cap looks like, you guys. So it comes with clips. You have a clip that's in the front, two clips on the side, and then you have the clip that's at the base of the head, and it also comes with adjustable straps as well as lace that's at the back of the head, and just in case you might want to put it up in a ponytail. I will actually be doing some plucking and everything on this particular unit tonight. And I will be actually installing the unit on my head on tomorrow. So make sure you guys stay tuned for those particular pictures. I'm super duper excited, mainly because I've never worn a lace front to this extent, and I definitely have never bleached knots before, and the fact that I did it correctly, I'm super excited. But you guys, make sure you guys stay tuned. I will be inserting pictures at the very end of the video, and we'll also be doing a review on the particular wig once I wear it for some time. Because if you guys have ever worn curlier wigs or curly wigs, water wave wigs, wet and wavy wigs, those usually have the tendency to start shedding over time. And that's just come with having curly hair. It's gonna shed. You cannot get away from it. No matter how good the hair is, it's going to shed. Because if you have curly hair, you know our hair sheds. That's just it. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And you guys, I love you guys. And for everybody who is supporting me, sending me messages and everything, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for the support. And make sure you guys are commenting and sharing these videos. And not to mention, you guys, make sure you guys are subscribing. There's a lot of stuff coming, you guys. I'm super duper excited. A lot of stuff coming. So make sure you guys are doing those things. I love you guys. And for the people who are interested and are the people who's already signed up for the giveaway, you guys, we are in April. We do not have that long to go. I'm super excited on announcing that particular winner. So I will see you guys in the next video. And like I said, I love you guys. Bye. What's up, you guys? I'm back as promised to show you guys what this unit looks like on. I'm just getting off work, so if I look a little bit crazy in the face, a little bit oily, I do apologize. But you know, it's been a long day. Okay? Excuse me. So you guys, this is what the unit looks like on. I'm going to actually turn around so you guys can see the back. Alright. So you guys, first let me tell you guys, I did not pluck anything. And the reason why I didn't pluck the actual hair is because I really wanted to kind of get a natural feel on what the hair was, how the hair was going to act, what it was really going to look like without me plucking it. Would I be able to kind of pull it up or put it behind my ear like this and it looks natural? Now I know I am going to actually have to go in and pluck it, but I'll be doing that this weekend. So you guys will probably see that in future videos, what it'll look like. But as for this week, I was just like, we just gonna rock it how it is. Now, I did bleach the knots. One mistake that I realized that I made when I first installed the unit was I should have bleached the entire lace, and I did not do that. I only bleached to the hairline, and that was a big mistake because I noticed when I actually went to go put the unit on, it blended in perfectly where my scalp was, but it did not blend well where the actual lace was on my forehead. And anytime you wearing lace front wigs, you know, you're not gonna cut all the way to the hairline. You're gonna leave a little bit of inches of lace out, so when you glue it, it can kind of blend in with your skin on your forehead. And so I did not do that. So what I had to do was go in with some foundation on the inside of the cap and just kind of pat that in with a beauty blender to kind of give it a flesh tone to it, so it could blend in a lot better. And that's what you see right there. Now you guys, this hair looked a lot better on Monday. I did not do the baby hairs. As you guys can see, the baby hairs are like coming down and things like that. So if you guys do decide to purchase this unit, I highly recommend you do your baby hairs every night. Probably take some water and take some water and kind of break the gel up, and then redo your baby hair so it'll be fresh. Because if you don't, this is what's gonna happen, y'all. You're gonna be at work or something, and then they just gonna be coming down like this. But anyway, you guys, moving on. So what I use to gel this the unit down, I use the Got To Be Ultra Glued, and I actually really do like this particular glue. I have not used the yellow one before, and I know a lot of the times I've heard people say that the yellow one is actually better than this one. but I actually really do like this one. I haven't had any issues with residue or anything unless I put too much glue. Now, you really want to use the light hand with this, because if you put too much, you are going to see a white residue. So that's something to keep in mind if it's your first time using this. To style the hair in the mornings, what I've been doing, y'all, is I just take a water bottle and spray the hair, and I take this Tresemme or extra extreme whole mousse, and I'll just put this on the hair. And I actually did this a couple of seconds ago, so this is pretty much what it looks like on this side when you first put the mousse on, and this is what it looks like once it's like the end of the day and you just been at work and you been messing with it, other people been messing with it. That's pretty much what it looks like. Now, I will say, if you guys don't like that hard crunchy feel, I would not use the mousse, because it's going to give you a hard crunch feel. So that's something that you might want to look out for if you are interested in using that as a styling product like I do. But for the most part, you guys, I haven't had any issues with this unit. I actually really love it. I've gotten tons of compliments ever since I put it on yesterday, from people at work, from people at my doctor's. I had to go to the doctor today. People just out. You guys, I've gotten so many compliments. I love, love, love this hair. If you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, I will leave a link down to the vendor as well as the page where I got the page where I actually got the unit from, so you guys can purchase it. This is a 14-inch, so the 14-inch I got it for $79. So it's more so on the affordable side, and I know some people like that is not affordable, but compared to a $600-700 wig, 70 some dollars, that's affordable. Okay, I always remember, you guys, you're gonna pay for what you get. I always remember that. Okay, but that is all, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned, because I will be doing a update on this hair in the next couple of weeks, just to kind of tell you guys what the hair is doing. Is it starting to shed more? Because in the beginning of the video, I did inform you guys that the hair is shedding. It was shedding when I first got it. So you guys get to see all that, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget. And also make sure you guys share. I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a good one. Bye.